नमस्कार व्यूअर्स, आपका स्वागत है रेडियो द्वारका में। फाइनेंशियल इम्यूनिटी की आजकल बहुत चर्चा होती है, लेकिन ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि फाइनेंशियल इम्यूनिटी किस तरह से हासिल की जा सकती है। इसी को जानने के लिए आज हम आए हुए हैं केपीएस परमार जी के पास। परमार जी फाउंडर हैं आदित्य वेल्थ सर्कल प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के और पिछले 17 सालों से इस क्षेत्र में काम कर रहे हैं। और एक चीज और बताना चाहूंगा कि परमार जी पहले फौज में थे और उनको विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल से भी सम्मानित किया जा चुका है।
Thank you, Mr. Vishal. Asked me a very important question. Financial immunity is very important for all of us. Because like a health need a body immunity, same thing in finance. Finance needs also immunity. I mean the financial freedom, and every individual have their own goal, their own risk appetite, their own needs. We cannot say that every individual have their same goal, same risk appetite or their same planning. So to achieve a financial immunity, we have to define certain things. Like we have to be noted down what financial goal we have in our life. Second, asset allocation to achieve the financial goal. Warren Buffett said you can't put all eggs in single basket. So we have to be assigned proper asset allocation also. Broadly in this universe, we have 3 asset class. Like one is gold, second is real estate, third is equity. Gold has its own limitation. You can't hold like a single man 2.50 gram, a married woman authorized 450 grams. Real estate, yes, it's a asset class, but it's a ill asset class because it doesn't have liquidity. You cannot take out a single penny from a big house, plots or somewhere. So the third comes equity. Equity is the best asset class. One can achieve its financial immunity by investing in this asset class. Because here one can invest from 100 rupees to n numbers, crores, and it has the liquidity. Plus it has the proper, a process of investment, protocols. So equity is the best asset class. Like to achieve financial immunity, one has to be allocate all his asset or her asset in proper asset class. ICICI Prudential Flexi Funds is going to be start on 28th June, coming Monday. It's a NFO, new fund offer, and will be floated at the rate of 10 rupees. It's a good fund because the fund manager can take call in all sectors or stocks. Fund manager can go in a large cap, mid cap and small cap whenever it is needed, and whenever it is going to be some good opportunity, then fund manager can take the call. So I feel it is the good fund to have achieve a financial immunity for any individual or the investors. Thank you.
म्यूचुअल फंड निवेश बाजार जोखिमों के अधीन होते हैं। निवेश से पहले योजना संबंधी सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यानपूर्वक पढ़ लें।